Alright, Abusia Mwaka Bashonko, Edoba Possibility VGH, and then they can in your channel is YouTube. Best also by Jibrin video, share, like, comment, subscribe. We are not share content, and so I recommend the channel. No, I'm only having some videos in be actually. When it's a Possibility VGH, the kind of this, if I'm on some age where my Ghana money be no. Me no kasa audio back could be aqua viral air trendy by information by highway news. Now, person message that you only said, you know, remain some audio.
Presidency. CEO, founder of the Atta Mills Institute, Koku Anyidoho. Koku, akwa better saying.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Oh, sir, who decided, sir, we be call na wako push for the renovation of Asumdwe Park. Now, over some intentions to want to, you know, keep the legacy and the memory of your former boss. But did you sign up for all this controversy, Mepacho?
Well, thank you, and good afternoon to you and everybody listening to
FM
sign up for it.
For all this controversy, I just what here Samuel Atta Mills, a former boss in Nia, and the position of the family. I was answering now.
Which family?
The Atta Mills family.
One man
Samuel
holding a press conference. Is that the family?
Oh, you don't see him as the family?
One man who has done nothing to keep the legacy of his late brother alive holds a press conference, and I'm supposed to be upset. Obi,
Koko.
we thank God. 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 Asumdwe Park is owned by the state. It's not owned by Koku Anyidoho. It is owned by the state. Thank you, President Koku. He has done what he has to do to honor the memory of a predecessor. Why should I be angry?
Asempa FM 94.7.
Koku, many feedback say voice no form kakra ntimi message no page wa no kakra man. Why?
I'm saying that His Excellency President Kufuor has built Asumdwe Park. Why should I be upset?
Maybe because the family says the body has been desecrated. They were not informed.
Who has desecrated?
So I said, Matati tomb no, without informing the family.
My brother, even in our own small family ways, in our own small congregations, when people pass on,
Asempa FM
we build tombstones.
94.7.
When we are building the tombstone, do we desecrate or touch graves? So where is the evidence that somebody has desecrated the grave of the late president? Where is the evidence? Obi,
Koku,
I am happy. I am happy. I am happy. I thank God that President Kufuor has built Asumdwe Park. Those who could not do it and are upset that it has been done, that is their problem.
Koku, with the benefit of hindsight, Ufi say just maybe, officially, Mobo Ebusiana Manie said the
Who buried President Young?
The state.
Thank you. So if the state is building a place of repute for us to remember him, is that a crime? Where has Samuel Atta Mills
Asempa FM
been
94.7.
all these years? He's soliciting, he's calling me names. That is okay. That is okay. If that's a cross I have to bear, that's fine. Odi Mokuku Pomi Mikua
Asempa
Yema
FM 94.7.
Ene adoye bedi mechi minkwananyi nara.
What do you say in your time?
In his time. But Sisia Koku inti on Sunday, is it confirmed? Say Asumdue Park, the new look Asumdue Park will be commissioned Sunday. Yeah, baso.
By the kind grace of God, it shall be done. By the kind grace of God, it shall be done. Former President John Dramani Mahama has been invited. The NDC has been invited. MPP has been invited. CPP has been invited. Everybody has been invited. When President Mills passed, he was laid to rest under
FM 94.7.
supervision of a sitting president, John Dramani Mahama. Today, under another sitting president, President Akufo, we are honoring the memory of President Mills. Is it a crime? Tomorrow morning, I will be at the Teshi shooting range. Those who want to kill me should come and kill me.
The family says the only heritage they recognize the JEA Mills Memorial Heritage. Samuel Atta Mills say a member of the board, Cadman advisor to the board, and only the only heritage I'm recognize it.
That's fine. I'm not fighting with anybody.
Yeah, but they made a point, say you are using the name of their brother or their family name, no, illegally, and they plan to even take you on and the Registrar General's Department.
No problem. Let them do it. No problem. Let them do it. My honor and my privilege is to have worked for a man who gave me the rare opportunity to serve him and to serve the Republic. If that is a crime, no problem. Let me be shot tomorrow. Let me be hung. Let me be crucified.
I don't know how you react to this, but Samuel Atta Mills makes the point, say, you only worked with his brother for 6 years, and our friends are on your muko way back. I mean, 20, 30, 40 years.
So what have those friends done? He, Samuel Atta Mills himself, what has he done to honor the memory of his late brother? What has he done?
He says
he's a member of parliament.
He goes there almost every day to talk to his brother.
It is not true. It is not true. Where is the autopsy?
Asempa FM 94.7.
The autopsy report?
Where is the autopsy report?
But you've been consistent with this call. What is in the report?
Where is the autopsy report? Samuel Atta Mills says he has the autopsy report. Let him produce it. What killed our president? What killed our president?
Is it not a private document? What family in some? The family cannot be coerced to publish the autopsy report?
The president was not a private president. He was the president of the Republic of Ghana. He was not a private president. So if Samuel Atta Mills has an autopsy report, let us know what killed his brother.
But you made a tweet, say, after the commissioning by the president in the morning, Obia wa masa event, if your person wants to organize it on one event, no, that person or people will not be allowed to enter the Asumdue Park. Is that true?
It is true. We have one president as we speak. One president buried the late president.
Asempa
one
FM
president
94.7.
is honoring the memory of the late president. Obi. So, Kwesi Chum goes to Lily, and then Obi decides that I will go. I will smell Kwesi Chum. And when Kwesi Chum has finished laying away, I will take off his wreath and go and do my own activity. Is that well? Is that acceptable? So we should dishonor and disrespect President Akufo-Addo. Who disrespected the mom? Nobody disrespected him. So if you have been invited and you will not honor it, and you want to go and have another event, well, that's up to you.
Yeah, but who will do the stopping? Why the best stoppers are other group never no?
National security will do that.
The national security will stop the heritage from coming to do the activity there.
What do they want to come in?
Almost somewhere wreath laying.
So no problem. There will be human beings there. Let them come and stack all of us and come and have their event. No problem.
This is in the afternoon, as we are told.
Let them come and come and stack everybody. No problem.
That is a party and empont and a power still a mobile
8 to 9, 9 to 10. After that, there will be activities. So we should leave. Oda Atta Mills Institute should leave. So that some people who have had
Asempa FM
no
94.7.
in building the place to want to come and have an event, let them come. Me, I won't fight anybody. I won't fight anybody. I am happy. I am happy.